Hi everyone. I am Pola. Welcome to Educational Trades channel. In this video, I'd like to describe the moving average indicator. Certainly, one of the most famous technical indicator. We'll see together its main characteristics and the applications on the field. The moving average is a technical indicator which investors use to analyze price trends and foresee when they could change their direction. It is basically the average, the closing prices of an asset, and it is calculated over a specific number of periods, determined by the time frame selected on the chart. It is defined as moving because the number of elements considered is fixed, but the time lapse advances. Indeed, the old data must be removed when new ones are added. This causes the average to move progressively, with the price trend of the instrument being calculated. The simple moving average 200, for example, is one of the most controlled moving average on the markets. It examines the values of the last 200 sessions and is recalculated every day, adding the last data and excluding the most remote period from the calculation. So, there are always only 200 prices considered. There are three main types of moving average: simple, exponential, and weighted. Each of these has its own calculation formula because they assign a different importance to the most recent periods examined. The moving average is a line that can be overlaid on the asset chart, allowing you to check the general trend and the entry points when the price crosses a moving average. Another way is to apply two different moving averages to get a cleaner signal. In this case, is applied a shorter moving average together with a longer moving average. When the shorter-term moving average crosses the longer-term one, it indicates an initial trend. It should be kept in mind that the period set affects significantly the signals generated. I will talk you about two fully detailed strategies to apply with this indicator through another video. So stay tuned with Educational Trades channel. Thanks for your attention. I hope you have found this video helpful. If you wish, subscribe to Educational Trades channel and to the website too. Bye bye.